How's it going, guys? This week I'm going to be making this coat rack. If you want to see how this project is made as well as a free cutting template, stay tuned and I'll be glad to show you. So to get started with this project, I began by designing a template on my computer, which you guys can download in the description below or at woodworkingnut.com/templates. And it's just kind of a mixture of a few things I saw online in stores that they were selling. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna use some spray adhesive, attach it to my 3/4 inch piece of plywood. Now you can either use plywood or you can use solid wood. It's really whatever you want. I happen to have a scrap piece of plywood that's pretty much the perfect size. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my plywood. So normally before I stick my template on, I'll let the spray adhesive tack up for about a minute or so. And now I'm just gonna align this all to the bottom edge, which I already have a straight piece of plywood cut, so I don't have to worry about that. And before I forget, I'm gonna center punch my 5 holes for the hangers. And the next thing I want to do is go ahead and drill a hole in each area where my saw blade is going to be on an inside cut. So now with the help of my jigsaw, I'm going to go ahead and cut this project out. And with my template all cut out, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and take a 3/8 inch Forstner bit and drill a hole in each of these 5 crosses, and that's where my pegs are gonna go. And now that I have all my holes drilled, I can go ahead and remove my template. And I'll just sand off the rest. So before I go ahead and sand the back, I'm just gonna take a router with the T-slot bit, and that's gonna allow me to hang this up flush against the wall. And now I can give everything a nice smooth sanding. So now the last thing I want to do before I paint this is go ahead and glue the pegs into place. So after applying a few coats of black finish, the coat rack is all done, and I have to say that I do like the way that this project came out, and I know it's a fairly simple project. The original project I was working on this week kind of fell through, so I had to come up with this last minute, but overall I'm extremely happy with it still. And don't forget guys, if you want to make this project yourself, I do have a free cutting template that you can download on my website, woodworkingnut.com. Be sure to check it out. As always guys, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week with another woodworking project.